Shit. He didn't get me, but I call it because I flinched like a bitch. I deserved it. You know, you're like, I'm better than that. I'm better than that. Did you not hear it fucking hit his timer?
That's why I was coming over. Just jumped up from the bottom of the screen.
Where are we aiming at, Tom?
Follow the horse on the one and just look up.
He's gone left. You're over hopping massively, mate.
I know, because I've got a gun on my head!
No, it doesn't affect your hop. Stop moving. Breathe less. Stay still. Boom.
He's just your massive bulbous head.
It's just got a flat bit trying to challenge my gun.
My parents dropped me on my head for a reason. It was destiny. Metal Gear. Dun, 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 dun.
Snake!
Dun, 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 dun.
Snake! Snake!